Special shout out to Be Quiet for providing us this amazing hardware. Hello everyone, I'm Miguel with Master PC Builder, your home for everything PC, and today I'll be your system integrator for our PureBase 501 Airflow build. For our motherboard, we'll be using a B650 plus Wi-Fi. For our CPU, we'll be using AMD 7600X. For our memory and storage, we'll be using a Kingston 32GB DDR5 kit and a Kingston 1TB NVMe M2 drive. We'll be outfitting the case with Be Quiet's Lightwings LX. For our CPU cooler, we'll be using Be Quiet's Lightloop FX2. For our power supply, we'll be using Be Quiet's Pure Power 750 watt. We'll be installing this beautiful form factor GPU from MSI into our build, and I'm genuinely excited to see how this build turns out. Here's a final look at our Be Quiet PureBase 501 Airflow build. If you're interested in a build like this, it will be available on our website over at masterpcbuilds.com.